Alright, so there went the York. So, Merry Christmas, everybody. Second year in a row that I decided to do this. And you know what's funny? Is that yesterday I just got that insane steam show from that Heil. And then the very next day, it's actually warm enough to run the air conditioning. Like, it actually got up to like 70 today. Let's just take a look at it without the flashlight. See that there? Kind of dark, but... Alright, I'm not going to run it for long. It's in the 50s right now, so... Alright, we'll do the Guardian next after we shut this thing down. Alright, so there goes the York. And now we'll go ahead and do the Guardian, which has a mixture of red and white. I'm just going to go ahead and sit on the disconnect box. Alright, so there it went. And a little something funny about this, I got tricked up. So let's listen to it for a sec. Sounds nice. I was just outside the other day, like last week, and I was looking at it, and for some reason it looked like it had a leak, like right here. It was darker right there than the rest of the coil, but then I looked at it closer and I just tell that this mesh stuff was pushed up against the coil, so it made it look darker right there for some reason. I don't know how that happened, but it's no leak. Gave me a little scare, but should be good to go for summer next year. Alright, I'll go ahead and shut it off. Alright, so there we go. Let's start up and shut down on my units. I see the flashlight's about to die there. And charge it up. Yeah, I guess Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. The next time you guys will see these units run will be when I fire them up for the first time in 2020. So, I guess over and out.